Clear away small hazards, tie up or raise curtain strings or tassels. Close the door to any room don't want cleaned. Decide where you want to place your dock. If there is excess cable, tidy it away inside the docking station. Around 1.5 meters in front, 0.5 meters either side. Now you are ready for the first use. Push the power button to start a full home cleanup. If cleaning for the first time, S6 will clean in 4 meter squares. After that, S6 will optimize its path based on room shape and obstacles. Press any button at any time to pause cleanup. To clean a specific area, place S6 in the center of that area. Press the Spot Clean button. S6 will clean in a 1.5 meter square centered on its starting point. Press the Recharge button to send S6 back to the dock. Cut the magnetic tape to a suitable length. Place the magnetic tape at the entrances of any areas you never want the robot to go. Wet the mop cloth. Wring the cloth until it is damp but not dripping. Select water flow speed. Attach the mop to the water tank. You can also use the disposable mop. Open the water tank and fill with water. Slide the water tank under the robot until it clicks in place. After mopping, slide off the water tank. You can also wash the cloth in a washing machine on a gentle cycle. Open your Mi Home app and tap on S6. Tap the Settings button in the top right corner, then tap Vacuum Settings and turn on Map Saving. Open the map and check how rooms have been marked. If you would like to make changes, tap Edit Map to combine or divide rooms. To clean a specific room, enter Room mode. Tap the room you want to clean. then tap Clean. Open your Mi Home app and tap on S6. Tap the Settings button in the top right corner, then tap Vacuum Settings and turn on Map Saving. If Map Saving is already on, you can skip this step. Return to the map screen. Tap Edit Map, then tap No-Go Zone. Add a zone and adjust its size. Move it where you want it. You can add up to 10 no-go zones. Add a virtual wall, move it where you want it, and adjust its size. Tap Save in the top right corner. Press the Clean button to start cleaning. Open your Mi Home app and tap on S6. Tap the zone icon. Move the box to the area to be cleaned. Adjust the box size if necessary. You can add more than one zone. Choose how many times you want the zone cleaned. Set the cleanup mode: Quiet, Balanced, Turbo, Max. Tap Clean to start cleanup. Unscrew the side brush and remove it to clear trapped hair. Place side brush back in place and screw it in tightly. Pull hair from the bristles and off of either end of the main brush. Use a pair of tweezers to pry out the omnidirectional wheel. Push down on the tire until the metal disc pops out. Remove any trapped hair and add a few drops of olive oil, then reassemble. Wipe clean all sensors using a dry, lint-free cloth. Wipe clean all charging contacts. Replace water filter elements every 1 to 3 months, depending on water quality and mopping frequency. Squeeze the 2 finger holds to unlock. Pull out the dustbin. Open the dustbin. Tilt it over a rubbish bin, tapping to empty. If especially dirty, fill the dustbin with water and swirl. Keep a hand over the hole in the lid while you do this. Or remove the filter and clean it separately. Do not use fingers or brushes to rub the filter. Remove the filter and allow it to dry thoroughly.